Which head-up display is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, KUOWHUD K1 White. First up is the KUOWHUD K1 White. Priced at just $15.99, this heads-up display caught my eye with its sleek design and practicality. If you want to keep your eyes on the road while still knowing your speed, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It projects your speed right into your line of sight, so you don't have to glance down at your dashboard. Plus, it adapts to lighting conditions with automatic brightness adjustment, making it super easy to read in any situation. With over 1,000 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate the clear speed projection and the convenience of plug-and-play USB power. Now, some people complained about occasional GPS signal issues in tunnels or heavy rain. Here's the thing though, that's fairly common with any GPS device, and honestly, it's not a deal-breaker unless you regularly drive in those conditions. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and reliable way to monitor your speed without distractions. Skip this one if you drive in areas with lots of tunnels or heavy rain often. Overall, you're getting great value for the price. Now, if the occasional GPS signal issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KUOWHUD K1. Next, we have another option from KUOWHUD, the K1. Priced slightly lower at $14.99, it seems almost identical to the K1 White but still catches attention with its user-friendly features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly display that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth checking out. The automatic brightness adjustment is a game changer for driving at night or in bright daylight, keeping your focus on the road. And with a similar rating of 4.3 stars from 1,000 reviews, it's clear that users find it reliable. However, some users mentioned that the screen could be a bit hard to see in direct sunlight. Now here's the thing, while that can be frustrating, most HUDs experience this, and the benefits still outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want something simple and effective without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you drive a lot in direct sunlight, as visibility might be a concern. You're getting a solid device at a very competitive price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more functionality. Product number 3, KUOWHUD H1 Green. The third product is the KUOWHUD H1 Green, coming in at $17.99. What caught my attention here was its added safety feature, the speeding alert. If you want to drive without worrying about speeding tickets, this is definitely one to consider. This HUD also uses dual-mode technology, ensuring stable signal reception from up to 32 satellites. What's really cool is the speeding alert feature. If you exceed your preset speed limit, it gives you an audible alert. This matters because it helps you stay within legal limits, reducing the risk of costly fines. With 1,000 reviews and a solid rating, it seems users appreciate this bonus feature. On the downside, some users reported that the speeding alerts can be a bit too sensitive. But honestly, better safe than sorry. It's a feature that could save you from a speeding ticket, which justifies its sensitivity. This is perfect for you if you're someone who tends to push the speed limit without realizing it. Skip this one if you prefer a very basic HUD without extra alerts. It brings great value with added safety features. Now, if the speeding alert feature sounds appealing, the next one offers a completely different tech approach. Product number 4, WeYug OBD2 HUD P6. Next up is the WeYug OBD2 Gauge Display HUD, priced at $35.09. This one stands out because it combines both OBD and GPS data, which is really useful if you want a comprehensive overview of your car's performance. If you want to keep track of more than just speed, this is an interesting option. The P6 offers a unique driving experience with 10 different display interfaces and the ability to read various data like RPM and water temperature. It's designed to help you stay informed without taking your eyes off the road. With a rating of 4 stars from over 2,300 reviews, it's clear that drivers appreciate the detailed information it provides. Plus, the ambient light changes color based on your driving situation, which is a nice touch for safety. However, some users found the installation a bit complicated, especially if you're not tech-savvy. But I'll be real with you, once you get it set up, the information it displays can be invaluable. This is perfect for you if you want in-depth data about your vehicle while driving. Skip this one if you prefer simplicity and ease of installation. It offers a lot of functionality that could justify the price. Now, if you're looking for something even easier to set up, the last product on our list might just be the right fit. Product number 5, VJOICARG20. Finally, we have the VJOICARG20 priced at $19.99. What drew me to this one was its ease of installation and straightforward usability. If you want something that works right out of the box without fuss, this is the one. This HUD uses GPS data to display your speed without needing to connect to your car's OBD system, which simplifies everything. It has a 10Hz refresh rate that keeps the speed updates quick and reliable, with a rating of 4.2 stars from 1,100 reviews showing users are satisfied with its performance. The automatic on-off feature is also convenient, ensuring no power is wasted when your car is off. However, some users mentioned it might take a bit longer to get a GPS signal when you first use it. But honestly, once it gets that signal, it performs well and gives you a clear display. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, easy-to-use HUD. Skip this one if you need more advanced features or data tracking. For the price, it's a fantastic option for simple speed monitoring. So to wrap it up, we've explored 5 great head-up displays. The KUOWHUD K1 White and K1 provide budget-friendly options with essential features. The H1 Green adds a safety alert, while the WIA OBD2P6 offers in-depth vehicle data. Finally, the VJOICARG20 shines in simplicity and ease of use. Each has its strengths, so pick one that fits your driving style.